What's up guys, welcome to another video of Expect Tech, and today I'm going to share my experience on how you could wall mount any LED TV. So in this video I'm showing you how we did a 65-inch LG Smart TV. Okay, and this will be applicable to any TV. So first of all you need to remove the package from the box and then clearly see the instruction. There will be a user manual, so make sure that you will not throw it and you will have it in handy just to check in case. And then what you need to do is check out where you need to put the bolts in the TV. So in this case actually I got some help, because when we bought the TV it was already, installation was already included, so we had some additional help. Anyway, even if you don't have it, you can easily do it by yourself as well. But the only thing is, make sure by the time when you are lifting the TV and placing it, at least you need two people holding the TV and putting it, because it's a flat. The first thing you need to do is fix the two metal panels onto the TV, and just before fixing it you have to make sure that the main structure, the main frame is fitting well onto the TV as well after you fix the two main panels. So after you do that, in the meantime we need to make 4 holes, or drill 4 holes on the wall. Okay, and I will show you just in a bit how we are doing it. So make sure that you measure it properly from each side, and if you have a table or something where you need to do either from the table or from the ground, you need to measure it upwards as well. And I suggest you have a leveler with you to make sure that it's level. So once you do this, the next thing is you need to fix the screws as per the manual. Okay, and when you're drilling it like shown on the video, you can see we have used a plastic bag so the dust is not reaching the ground, so that will be very convenient when you're cleaning the house afterwards. So what we do is we are fixing the main structure onto the wall. So once we fix the structure into the wall, so we just need to place the TV on top of the structure where it will properly fit with the metal panels. So this is easy as this to fix a TV, but I'm sure that if you have at least one person to guide you moving around the TV, that'll be great, because it's a flat screen TV and if it falls, you know the damage. So once you have mounted the metal structure onto the wall, okay, make sure that carefully place the TV onto the metal structure. Okay, and make sure you plug in all the cables that you need to the TV before you place it onto the wall. Okay, because it will be difficult to put it back and take it out and put it back again. So this is how we did it, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all soon in the next video. Thank you so much. Be safe.